original fountains were constructed in 1971 and decommissioned in 2005. A decision was made to turn the old, dilapidated fountains into new office space. A lot of design, a lot of people involved, both internal with parliamentary services staff, external in consultants and so on. Yeah, it has been a journey. It has been a journey. The old fountain space basically housed 2 old public toilets, pump room and some storage space. Once the guys came in, gutted everything out with the forward works and demolition phase, it was really exciting just to see the blank canvas for the future works which were yet to come. Throughout the 3-year project, our building services team worked closely with consultants and the contractors involved every step of the way. Keeping with state heritage, a key aspect of the design was to ensure the concrete facade of the fountains was maintained. On the interior, glass panels were used with the original concrete columns to define the walls of the individual offices. The carpet design alternates between light and dark grey, mimicking the original thoroughfare. In consultation with the architect, we had designed double glazing glass to come in with an argon gap to prevent heat from penetrating and noise from the freeway. The windows themselves were designed as one seamless piece of dark tinted glass in order to maintain the existing elevation without breaking the uniformity of the colonnade. Our Parliament gardeners liaised with the Kings Park Botanical Gardens Authority in replicating nature's corridor from Kings Park to Parliament House. The final piece to the puzzle was the lift shaft install, which proved to be challenging, as we had to achieve universal access whilst keeping with heritage aesthetics. We've now transformed the original space into state-of-the-art offices, which includes a conference room, a meeting room, 24 workstations and 5 offices. You name it, I think we achieved it. Aesthetically, it looks great. And most of all, it's just comfortable. You know, it's a space where people can come into work and just, enjoy the space. It's been a labour of love. It's been a great adventure.